Hello friends, welcome to another of mail call. So this is the first of 2026. We got our package from our good friend Tyson, all the way from West Coast, from his group NESA. So most of the cars which we have got here as either through auctions or stage sports which have been gone through during the holiday season. So first thing first, let's open up the main line, continuum and so forth. So we are collecting as I shared with you guys, factory fresh, HotWheels exotics, and J imports. These streaming videos only from now on, and also Ferrari, Bugatti, so kind of exotic cars. So this is the first one, which is factory fresh Lotus Sport Elise. I think I have another color variant of this one. Next we have Mitsubishi. It's a premium from Car Culture series. I'm not sure of the release year of it, but it looks pretty good. I'm collecting some of the JDMs from premiums, not all, but later on I will just focus on Skylines only. So it's very well packaged. So this is the Mitsubishi 2000 GT. It's pretty clean casting. I'm not sure if I'm gonna open it or not, but that's what we have at the moment. Moving on to the next one is from the Fast and Furious series. It's BMW. As I shared in the channel, another car I'm gonna be collecting is BMWs along with Nissan Skyline. So this is M3 E36 from the Fast and Furious series. I think this set has another white version of it, which I'm yet to collect, but hopefully soon I'm gonna collect that as well. It's an M3, not bad. There's a high possibility I'm gonna open up this and star of this mail call. These are two RLCs BMW. So although I'm not gonna unbox the packaging, but I just want to show you guys what we have here. So first we have one BMW LTWB. Both are from 90s. So this is 1991 BMW M3. I think this is sealed. I'm gonna create another video for unboxing this sealed case. It's from the collector series. I think this one is the orange one or red one. I'm not recall the color of it. Another one is 1995 BMW LTW. This is also from Redline Club. So both I got a very good deal from my good friend Tyson in the holidays. So thank you very much for helping me up with these two cool RLCs. Big shout out to Tyson once again and his group, Never Ending Sales and Auctions. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe the channel.